So we'll have to do a little modifications to get the 350 in there.
So it has the big block, it has the 454 in it?
454, thank you.
That's actually, there's not that much to do to make it fit.
No.
Because the way that it's set up, the towers that are used, the frame itself is drilled. So it's ready to go. There's two ways that you can do it. You can find the small block towers. We take off the big block towers and bolt in the small block towers. Or you can go to a Speedway and buy the universal kit that bolts in. Either way.
It's probably cheaper to find the towers in his yard.
Yeah, if he's got a square body Chevy with a small block in it, we can take the towers off of that.
I don't think Joe's going to need them.
Well, and the nice thing about it is you can take, they should be riveted. So you can cut the rivets, grind the rivets, and then it becomes very easy for you to, they're big block stands. You sell them for 50 bucks, somebody goes crazy because, oh shit, I have a small block, these are big block? Okay.
Many sparks.
So this is the tree, which fits in there and keeps the coal falling down the airline, air tube. So I forged it so it'll fit, and I gotta grind it a bit, and then I gotta drill the air holes through it.
Again, we don't own this music. This is his Amazon playlist.
I have the right to listen to it.
You have to. We're not making any money, so it's fine.
I have paid for the rights to listen to it.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, here, let's get that. Let's get the creation process. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Hot and spicy. Oh. I was only following orders. That's it. That's where that voice comes from, I believe. And that's how he set his roof on fire. Like that.
That is a spark test.
Oh,
That's my
yeah.
story, and I'm sticking to it.
There's some cultures where women judge men by the length of their spark. Ho!
The all spark.
The Allspark. Be sure you get it on the acetylene tanks. Right there. And we all go down together. Oh, that smells horrible. Oh, we're getting out of here. Okay. Yeah, you are like setting the ground. Wow, that's not good. There we go. You've got to get it almost just right. Or pretty close, pretty damn close to almost just right.
Yeah.
Pretty damn close.
That's good. Now for the drill. Drill, baby, drill.
Now the paste melted. Stretching it out to fold it over still. Ye old drill press. No one will be seated during the exciting drilling scene in Ben-Hur 2, the Hurning. Do, drill it, man. Da, 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 da. Oh, this thing's ice cold. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Oh, excuse me again. It's already ready already. It's already ready already. Oh. There we go. I'm going to widen it out, otherwise you can't see it. One of us needs to get rich so we can do this in the morning and then we're not as tired. Lottery tickets, hopefully that problem will be solved.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Because that's gonna happen. Oh, you're making a mess over there. That looks awesome.
Chips are flying.
Hey. Oil and metal. And lots and lots and lots of rotations. Lots of them. Oh, okay. That's why I made last night the heavy drinking night. Because I don't think I'm, I want to get there early. Because after he gets that engine out and the transmission out, I can lay underneath and cut the bottom bolts off.
Yeah.
Take off the roof, pull out the wiring harness, and then cut the rest up for parts and scrap. It sounds so easy talking about it.
Just gonna yank the old one out, drop the old one in, and everything's gonna be perfect.
Yeah. Easy peasy lemon squid. No.
Easy peasy, Lenny and squeak.
Ooh, even better. That's what it's more like. Red is the road. Oh, no. There we go. Songs to make you drink and cry. Brought to you by Ireland or Irish American. Next, we're going to depress everyone by singing The Fields of Athenry. Followed by Kilkelly, Ireland, 1840. Oh my God, what a depressing song. Kilkelly, Ireland, 1840. My dear and beloved son John. With the help of Pat McNamara, the schoolmaster writing his letter.
Then we sing Finnegan's Wake.
At least that one's fun. At least he comes alive at the end. Athenry is sad because he's going to Australia. And Kilkelly, Ireland is basically like, hey, I hope you're doing good, son. Thanks for the pictures and the money. Good luck. Hope so-and-so died. Dad's gone crazy, you know. Very sad song.
Then of course you have to sing all the, Patriot games and all the good IRA songs.
Well, that's in another category, but yes. Magic hands. Oh, just bump it in with your hand. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. Thank you, Ireland. Okay. Oh, no, that's... Damn it. Why does it keep doing that? Oi, Gavolt. Okay. But if I had money, I'd go get a Geeks. But I do have to be up early in the morning, so that's a bad idea. That's the difference between drinking alone and drinking in a pub setting. If you're alone, you just set the alarm. Oh, time to go to bed. But if you're at a bar, just stay for one more drink. Dude, I gotta go. They need me tomorrow. There's shit to do. Oh, okay. The little metal miter box.
Yeah, it's a machinist clamp.
Machinist.
It's my machinist clamp.
Clamp.
And so I missed my mill, but at least I didn't lose these.
Well, you know, we get some Patreons and some viewers and we'll be able to buy you a mill. Like and subscribe, folks.
Oh,
We're getting there. We got 12 subscribers. We're almost there.
I had, before the divorce, I had a mill and a lathe and all that good stuff.
But Tomahawk Night is coming along.
Yep.
Slow but steady wins the race.
Exactly. You have to be Cecil Turtle to Bugs Bunny.
Pretty much. Oh, that's a good one too. Who would you cast as Pete Puma? I'm the little fella's mother. I've been so worried about him.
He would be the mouth of sorrow.
Oh my God, that's perfect. Oh, I'm the little fella's mother. But he has to be in the dress with the lipstick. The set.
You know, you have to be in the dress, standing there. Sauron sent me.
No thanks, I'll help my tail.
And then, of course, Bugs Bunny would be standing there in his full Gandalf
Hair
robe.
on or Gandalf. Wait a minute.
Would you like some tea?
No. Gives me a headache. No thanks, I'll help my tail.
What would you rather have?
Or the...
Coffee.
What's the vulture's name? No. You gotta have one of those to be an orc. Like when they get discovered, he has to be the ones that discover Frodo and Sam. Nope. Attack me. That's the only way we're gonna get out of this. What? Nope. No. I still like Gossamer as a cave troll. That's a great idea. Alright, let's get one more beating round in there.